Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder STL, stock reference number 7437. This shape runs from the 6th month 2013 through the 11th month 2016. It has a VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left guard has a couple of dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has multiple small dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tailgate garnish. Right tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has a couple of small dents, as does the right front door, and a small fold on the front edge. Right power door mirror, camera type, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen, sat nav, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, and an instrument cluster.